So hi, welcome back. I am sure you did that exercise which I asked you to do it. So now in this lesson, I will talk to you about few more hacks. So first, let's see what we are going to discuss in this video, and then we will go in detail for each topic. The first one we are going to see it talk at the correct level. Second is give your full attention to the conversation and be sure to ask questions. So all these hacks are really important and that can help you to take level of your communication to the highest. So talk to the correct level. What does it mean? So when you're talking to the children, will you talk like you are talking with the elder person? Okay. So when you're talking to the children, you cannot talk to the children like you talk to the older people. Similarly, when you are in communication, you have to understand the level of your audience. You have to understand the level of the person you are communicating with, and then you have to talk accordingly. If you're talking to a junior, then talk in a manner that a junior can understand whatever you are trying to communicate, whatever message you are passing. If you are talking to, let's say, a very senior people, then prepare first. Talk with them in a language they can understand and they can relate with you. That is important. So we need to talk to their level. Otherwise, nobody will understand you. So important thing is whichever wherever you are going and you are talking, try to get some information about those people. Know about their level and create your speech and talk according to their level. And that will help you improve your communication skill and they will understand you better. If you mismatch, then they will not understand you. There will be miscommunication. Okay? Hope you are getting this. Now, the other one, give your full attention to the conversation. That is very, very important. So, when you're talking to somebody, you're in conversation with somebody, focus on what they are saying. Remove all the distractions from there. The better you focus, the better you know what they are saying, what they are communicating with you, and better you can communicate with them. And that will be real communication, not a miscommunication. Very, very important, my friend. So, if there is any sound or something is coming and some distraction is happening, stay away from that, please. Just sit and talk wherever is no distraction. For example, you go to a party, there's a lot of noise or maybe music, and you have to communicate with that person, something important. Go away from that place. Take the person away from that place and then do it. If you want to communicate with somebody, switch off your mobile also. That also helps sometimes. And the third one is be sure to ask questions. Now, asking question is a very, very powerful tech. When you are communicating with somebody, somebody is talking to you, ask questions. That way the other person knows that you are participating in conversation. And by asking question, when they answer your question, listen to them carefully. That's whether you are getting the right answer or not. You are focusing on what actually you want or maybe they want. This is very, very powerful technique for salespeople and for marketing. Sometimes you just give the presentation, not knowing what that person needs. So ask questions and you will get a specific answers that will help you communicate better. So from this lecture, you have learned this three technique. Talk to the other person's level. So prepare a speech right now. Imagine you are talking to somebody at different level and you are communicating with at their level. Imagine yourself that you are giving full attention and listening to them and you're asking the questions, right questions, relevant questions. Maybe you can write down the questions you want to ask in your sales presentation, or maybe the work you do in your area, maybe in your context. You can think about what questions you can ask. By doing that, you are reprogramming your mind to make it easy for you and remember for you to use this technique. So practice right now and come back to the next lesson. Thank you very much.